What's up, guys? I know I told you guys in the last video that I was gonna have a mic. I ordered it and these parts ended up coming in before I got my mic, so I'm sorry, no mic. But there's not a lot of wind noise today, so we're good. Real quick, I'm gonna turn off this fan though, because that will get kind of annoying in the background. But got a box in today. LMC truck. That's where I get all of my stuff, all my parts from my truck. But got a little excited over my lunch break today at work. Came home, went ahead and opened up one of the boxes. If you guys paid attention in the last video, you guys already know what this is. But let's go ahead and open it up. These are the 454 SS mirrors, or the sport mirrors, I guess, whatever you guys really want to call them. But they're gonna look way better than this. They're definitely way smaller, as you guys can tell, but I think they're gonna look way better. And if you guys remember from the 5 Things I Hate video, I'll throw it up there if you guys want to go check that out, if you guys haven't seen it yet. The mirrors tilt in as you drive, and they're really hard to move this way. I'll also take care of that problem. So they're already kind of like a gloss black plastic, so I won't have to really worry about them being like a flat black or like paint them to match. Well, I wouldn't really worry about it anyways, just because the whole truck's going to be painted eventually. I just don't know when. It's a lot of money. But so I'm gonna get this other one opened, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into installing these. I do believe you got to take off the door panel in order to get to it. It's just 3 bolts, as you can see right there. But we're gonna get into today's video of installing these, and we'll see how they turn out. Alright, so at least on my truck, I think the 93's in up. If you got it, pretty much if you have a different door panel, it's different. Got 2 bolts right here. Got to take off. They are 10mm. So I'm going to take those off real quick. Got those. And then back in there, you got this little pin that you got to pull out. I didn't necessarily pull mine all the way out. I just got it most of the way off. And then clips to the bottom side. And then you got to pull this off. Guess you don't even really have to undo your switches. You don't need your door panel all the way off. You just got to get it off enough so that you can get right back in there. As you can see, I didn't undo my switches all the way. And then pull this foam out. Then you'll have 3 bolts, or 3 nuts. One right there, one right there, one right there. I think, are those 10s as well? Let me double check. Yep, so those are also 10s.
So I'm gonna get this pulled off real quick. I'll get the new one put on, and then I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done.
Alright, so that's what it should look like once you got your mirror off. There's your 3 bolts. Just line them up, and they fit right on, just like that. So now I'm just gonna go to the other side, throw the nuts on, tighten them down, throw the door panel back on, and I'll do the other side, and then I'll show you the whole truck once it's all back together. You guys already saw me do this side. You guys don't want to watch it twice, so I'll show you guys what the truck looks like when it's all back on and put together. Alright, so I got sport mirrors all on, 454 SS mirrors, whatever you guys want to call them. They're for sure way smaller than the factory mirrors, but to me they look way better. You know, it's not everybody's, not everybody likes them, but I for sure do. But got both sides. Like I said, it's only those 3 bolts that I showed you guys on the other side. You guys definitely didn't want to watch me do this side. I kind of struggled with this side a little bit, but yeah, truck looks way better with these sport mirrors on it, in my opinion. But real quick, just wanted to say thank you guys. 2 videos ago, the 5 things I hate about my OBS Chevy, that video did amazing. I think it's at almost 400 views right now, so I just want to say thank you guys for, you know, all the support for that. And yeah, that's amazing. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked today's video, and see you guys next week.